Hello, my beautiful people. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world around us and the invisible energies that connect us all. Whether you're here seeking wisdom, inspiration, or simply curious about the mysteries of the universe, you're in the right place. So, settle in, open your mind, and let's explore together the profound connections that shape our reality. Welcome to a journey into understanding and mastering the energy field that surrounds us, and every living that ever noticed how the atmosphere in a room shifts when someone walks in, or how a walk in nature can lift your spirits. These moments suggest the presence of an energy field, an invisible aura that surrounds us, reflecting our inner state and interacting with our environment. Ever noticed how the atmosphere in a room shifts when someone walks in, or how a walk in nature can lift your spirits? We are going to discuss some moments. These moments suggest the presence of an energy field, an invisible aura that surrounds us, reflecting our inner state and interacting with our environment. This energy field, an unseen force, permeates everything from the vast cosmos to the atoms within us, representing the essence of life. Though ever present, its full potential remains largely untapped and mysterious. Imagine waking up feeling overwhelmed, as if the world's weight is on your shoulders, draining your energy before the day even starts. What if you could transform this energy into vitality and strength? It's possible to not only understand but also master this energy. Historically, sages and mystics across cultures have discussed the profound link between the mind and the energy field, suggesting that mental control can significantly influence this subtle yet potent force. People's experience of the energy field can vary. Some might feel a tingling sensation, others a pulsating vibration. Regardless of personal perception, the energy field's existence is undeniable. Consider the story of an enlightened sage who could manipulate reality with his thoughts. Through disciplined practice, he was able to direct the surrounding energy to achieve once impossible feats. Understanding the energy field begins with exploring magnetism, a fundamental force entwined with existence itself, influencing everything from celestial bodies to our bodily particles. Our human magnetic field, mirroring our thoughts, emotions, and overall state, can enhance our well-being when harmonious or cause imbalances when in distress. The journey to mastering this field starts with recognizing the immense power of our thoughts. As philosopher Lao Tzu said, "Watch your thoughts. They become your words. Watch your words. They become your actions. Watch your actions. They become your habits. Watch your habits. They become your character. Watch your character. It becomes your destiny." Each thought shapes our reality through its influence on the energy field. To harness this energy, begin by monitoring your thoughts and steering them towards positive intentions. A key technique is magnetic visualization, where you mentally project and adjust magnetic energy to create desired outcomes, using your imagination and intention. Emotional mastery is also vital. Our emotions indicate whether our thoughts align with our true desires. By fostering positive thoughts and emotions, we resonate at higher frequencies, attracting similar energies. Cultivate this mastery through mindfulness, becoming aware of your emotions and the thoughts driving them, and consciously choosing your responses. By refining your control over thoughts and emotions, you effectively shape the energy field. Your aura brightens, attracting positive people and circumstances. Mastering the energy field means aligning with the universe's natural flow and co-creating a reality that aligns with your highest good. Trust the energy field's wisdom to guide your self-discovery and transformation. Engage in practices like meditation, yoga, and self-love to foster inner harmony and peace. Align your energy with the universal flow and embrace unity consciousness. As you live by these principles, you radiate love and light, impacting everyone you encounter. This path of mastering the energy field is a profound journey of self-discovery and transformation, leading to fulfillment, peace, and a deep sense of interconnectedness.